Honorable Skosana.
You know, Advocate, you failed the Senzo Meyiwa family. Your prosecutors have failed the Senzo Meyiwa families and many families, not necessarily him alone, but his case has been going on for many years, and people who were supposed to be, in their view, to be held accountable, they are untouchable. May you please, before you leave the office, encourage your prosecutors to do the right thing.
Thank you, Chair. May I respond? Chair, I will not sit here and accept the blame on the part of the prosecutors for the absolute disaster in the prosecution of the Senzo Meyiwa case. I can give details of the fact that there were two teams in the police that were investigating this matter. One reporting to the minister, one reporting to the National Commissioner. And these teams were at loggerheads with each other. If I recall correctly, they may even, I stand to be corrected, they may even have been dockets open by one team against the other. It was a total mess. There were requests by the teams for specific prosecutors from the Johannesburg office. There were allegations that against certain prosecutors. And in an effort to salvage the case, I discussed the matter with the DPP of Pretoria and Gauteng and said, we're going to take this case out of Johannesburg and transfer jurisdiction to Pretoria, get a prosecutor from Pretoria to look at both the dockets, at all the evidence, and decide on how to proceed and unravel this total mess in this case. And so that is what happened. But that was done by the NPA in an effort to ensure that the victims in this case got justice. And it's something like that should never happen in our criminal justice system. But it did.